Do you want to learn how to set up a healthy ketogenic diet step by step, or how to lose fat and build muscle with keto? Then this course is right for you. Hi, I'm Felix Harder, certified fitness and diet coach, and today I want to show you how you can improve your health and nutrition with the ketogenic diet. The course will teach you everything you need to know about topics like keto meal planning, keto weight loss and muscle building diets, and how to choose the right foods and supplements. Unfortunately, because of all the hype around ketogenic diet, the internet is full of false advice and misinformation. That's why I created a science-based video course that not only debunks the most common myths, but also teaches you how the diet really works and how to best take advantage of its positive effects. The biggest mistake people make when going keto is that they only cut out carbs from their meal plan without making any other changes. They forget that you also have to adjust your diet to compensate for the lack of carbs and actively look for healthy alternatives. So in the course, we will design a personal diet plan step by step that is right for your needs and your lifestyle. What sets this course apart from others is that I don't want to sell you some hyped up hacks that don't work. Instead, I designed this video course to be a complete program teaching you all the necessary steps to start a sustainable and healthy ketogenic diet. One that will also help you lose weight, build muscle, and reach your fitness goals. I want to thank you for checking out my course, and if you liked it so far, be sure to read the description for more details and watch the preview clips.